Is Tesla stock overvalued? Let's find out. Tesla stock at the moment has a P/E ratio of 15 and 20. However, when it comes to
For a long time, Tesla stock has been on fire. Its stock price increased by 695% in 2020, making Elon Musk the world's richest person. The stock value of Tesla's Motors is included in key U.S. indices such as the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 index. The stock with the ticker symbol TSLA is expected to become the most talked about stock in 2021 and possibly even in 2022. TSLA is perhaps the most actively traded symbol on any exchange. Some investors are terrified of heights since the Tesla share price projection has increased so much. Is this correct? Or are they just missing out on one of the 1,000 chances? In this Tesla stock price prediction and financial outlook, we'll take a look at it. Here's why analysts predict Tesla stocks will be on fire for the next 12 months. By the way, before we begin, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our engaging videos and use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now let's get into it.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. Have you ever wondered how to end procrastination and self-sabotage so you can unleash your full potential to live the life you deserve? #1 best-selling author and high-performance coach Peter Sage is hosting a free webinar where he'll teach you how to increase your wealth with less time and struggle, and also how to hyper-boost your growth and success so you can finally break out of any rut you find yourself in. Right now, Peter and his team are offering a free $100 gift to anyone who doesn't find his webinar as the best use of their time within the last 5 years. Now, let's get back to the video.
Tesla is, without a doubt, the unchallenged leader in electric vehicles. It's unclear whether this will continue to be the case in the coming years in a market where manufacturers are aggressively developing their own electric vehicles. One thing is for certain, electric cars are the way of the future in a rapidly rising selection of the automotive market, as evidenced by Tesla's share forecast. The average 12-month price forecast based on opinions of 26 analysts is $650.92, with a maximum prognosis of $1,200 and a minimum forecast of $137. The average 12-month price based on the opinions of 26 analysts is $650.92, with a maximum prognosis of $1,200 and a minimum forecast of $137. Since mid-2019, there has been a clear bullish trend. The difference between local lows and highs is widening. Despite the chart's catastrophic decline, September's 5-for-1 stock split had no effect on the overall bullish trend. The increase in trading activity confirms Tesla's bullish potential. The level of $380 is the nearest level of support. The chart approached that level several times last year, but never consolidated below it. The local low of $968 in February 2020 is the nearest resistance level. By breaking through the psychological barrier of $1,000, the estimated growth potential would be implicitly confirmed. For the next 3 months, Tesla's forecast trading ranges between the trend line and the resistance level green line. The low is $475 and the high is $1,000. In an alternative scenario, the resistance level is $1,000 could be broken. In that case, the previous local high of $2,318 will become a new objective. The alternative scenario, however, is unlikely to materialize in the next 3 months based on our technical research. Until the end of summer 2021, the market is likely to flatten and approach the trend line. The anticipated value of the stock will rise from $480 to $790. Following that, bullish feelings may emerge and the chart may continue to develop in the direction of the main trend. The upswing will continue if the crucial level of $968 is broken and consolidation occurs above $1,000. It's possible that this will happen by the end of 2021. If analysts' expectations for 2021 come true, Tesla stock will restart its positive trend in 2022. The opening price for January 2022 is $811, according to Wallet Investors' Tesla stock projections, while the closing price for December is $1,104. The biggest difference between the minimum and maximum price is roughly $36. This means the volatility will be moderate. The upward trend is likely to continue to 2023, starting at $1,109. The price will rise to $1,400 by the end of the year. Volatility will be low as well. The Economic Forecast Agency is pessimistic for the coming year. The price will climb as well, although at a slower pace. The December 2022 closing price is $1,200, according to the source. Tesla stocks appear to be more attractive in 2023. The estimated stock price at the end of July is $1,630, despite the fact that the website only provides estimates for the first 7 months of 2023. Musk's firm might grow significantly over the next 5 years, according to Wallet Investor. The opening price in 2025 will be $1,700, and by the end of the year, it will be surpassed to the $2,000 mark. December's closing price was $2,010. The regular range of volatility will be maintained. The forecast is only for the first 7 months of 2026, according to the source. The opening price for January 2026 is $2,011, while the ending price in December is $2,148. The future Tesla shares is looking brighter, according to the coin price forecast. The outlook, on the other hand, has been drastically revised. The stock price is unlikely to reach $10,000, according to the source. The revised forecast is based on the stock market's poor performance in the first half of 2021. The price will be around $2,000 at the start of 2025. By the end of the year, the rate will have risen to $2,367. The price will cross a psychological milestone of $3,000 in the middle of 2027. By 2030, the price will have risen to $3,650. A little rise is preferable to a decline, even if the increase in value is not large.
To thank you for watching this video, we're offering you an absolutely free training webinar. How would you feel knowing that you could pay every bill you have right now, as well as any future bills that come in? Commission Hero is a proven system that has helped over 8,000 people earn upwards of $1,000 a day or more. The best part is that there is zero experience needed to get started. In this free training, Robbie Blanchard and his team will teach you the top 3 secrets to how and why this system works, and how it can also work for you. Join the thousands of people who have found success and financial freedom using Commission Hero. Right now, the first 100 people to use the link below will get access to this free webinar. Now let's get back to the video.
Tesla Inc., the corporation, might be worth $1.5 trillion by 2030, according to billionaire investor Ron Barron. Analysts need to look back at how the commodity performed in prior years of its existence in order to develop a realistic and credible Tesla stock prediction. The NASDAQ chart below depicts how the value of Tesla shares has fluctuated since the firm was created. What has changed in the price of Tesla stock over time? We will look at the events that influenced the price from 2020 to 2021 because the most significant price changes began in 2020. The price had risen by more than 100% since the beginning of the year in February 2020. There were no specific factors, however, that should have caused the price to skyrocket. The company posted strong quarterly profit figures in January. As a result, stocks and after-hours trading surged by 13%. Another reason that may have pushed the price was analysts' price targets. February 3rd, for example, when Argus Research raised its price target to $808, the product price roared 19%. Tesla stock also reached to billionaire investor Ron Barron's prediction that the company revenue may exceed $1 trillion in the next decade. In the end, the stock raised by 13%. Stocks lost value after the coronavirus went into effect. The cost was once again under $100. The decline, however, was short-lived. From the beginning of April to September 1st, there was a strong bullish trend. The corporation held a 5-to-1 split on August 31st. As a result, the closing price reached $498, an all-time high. Tesla shares, on the other hand, suffered their biggest fall since going public on September 8th. The corporation split its stock 5-to-1 on August 31st. As a result, the closing price rose to $498.32, its highest level since the beginning of the year. Tesla stocks, on the other hand, had its worst day since going public on September 8th. The news that Tesla stocks would be excluded from the S&P 500 index may have triggered the drop. The stock market was taken aback. The stocks drifted sideways from then into the middle of December 2020. Tesla shares began the new year with a new high. As a result, Tesla Incorporated has become the most valuable car company in the world. The stock hit an all-time high of $883 on January 26. The rally came to an end in early February. Several factors were cited to Analysts. To begin with, the company's earnings report was disappointing. Critics saw it as proof that the corporation could not make a profit from making and selling automobiles. The second reason for the stock's decrease could be increased competition. The price has been going sideways without substantial ups and downs since the beginning of March. What do you think about Analysts predicts Tesla stocks will be on fire for the next 12 months? Let us know in the comments section down below. And hey, if you've enjoyed the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because that way we can then continue giving you the best contents. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, don't worry, we're going to see you again in the next video.